Hello friends, today we will discuss about the fundamentals of the MATLAB. So for the purpose of this, we need to acquire some apparatus. That should be the we should require a computer, and that should be installed with the MATLAB software with the latest version that is available on the website. That from there you can easily download and install in your system. So here we can see that the apparatus are computer and MATLAB software. That should be one एक computer चाहिए आपको और एक software चाहिए. So from the fundamental we can say that what is MATLAB? So the MATLAB is a high performance language for technical computing, integrates computation, visualization and programming in an easy to use environment where problem and solution are expressed in familiar mathematical notation. So we can say that the MATLAB is a high level tool, high performance tool or language for performing the technical computing integrations or integrates computation, and we can easily visualize the problems, physical problems in the software or computer, and we can program in an easy way according to your problem. So these are the basics of the MATLAB. So the main typical usage or applications of the MATLAB are, it should be mathematical computation. It should be used for the mathematics and computation. Algorithm development के लिए use होगा ये, and it will be also used for the data acquisition, modeling simulation, data analysis, exploration and visualization. And further it will be also used for the scientific and engineering graphics. It is application it is applicable for development including graphical user interface buildings. So we can say that MATLAB is an interactive system. MATLAB is an interactive system whose basic data element is an array that does not require dimensioning. Does not require dimensioning. So it allows you to solve many technical computing problems, especially those problems will matrix and vector formulation in a fraction of time it would take to write a program in a scalar, no interactive language such as C or Fortran. So this is allowed to solve many technical computing problems, and you can write the program according to your problem. So MATLAB has evolved over a period of years with input from many users. Or in university environment, it is the standard instruction tool for introductory and advanced courses in mathematics and sciences. मीन्स आपका जो MATLAB है सभी जगह पे एडवांस लेवल पे यूज हो रहा है. मैथमेटिक्स जहाँ पे हो, इंजीनियरिंग हो या फिर आपका साइंस हो, तो MATLAB का काफ़ी वास्ट लेवल पे हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. In industry, MATLAB is the tool of choice for high productive research, development, and analysis. So it is also applicable for the research point of view. Nowadays, it is very much a useful tool for the for getting the result and analysis purpose. We can optimize the data. We can find the results. We can get the graphs. So with the help of MATLAB, we can. It is the choice for high productive research, development, and analysis. Now, MATLAB features a family of add-on application specific solution called Toolboxes. Very important to most user of MATLAB. Toolboxes allow you to learn and apply a specialized technology. Right? Toolboxes are compressive collection of MATLAB function M file that extend the MATLAB environment to solve particular classes of problems. You can add a toolbox for signal processing, control system, neural network, fuzzy logic, wavelet simulation, and many other areas. So these are the various applications of the MATLAB where you can use this tool for the getting the or for analysis purpose. Now, further, if you are looking desktop tools and development environment, so we can see this figure. We are introducing the desktop. If you are open the MATLAB, the window will be and the screen will be appear on your system or on your screen. So you can see that the following illustration shows the default configuration of the MATLAB desktop. You can modify the setup to meet your need. According to your requirement, you can modify the setup. And you can use MATLAB function to perform the equivalent of most of the feature found in the desktop tools. The following illustration shows the default configuration of the MATLAB desktop. You can easily modify the setup to meet your requirements. So further from the figure, from the image, you can see that there are the various windows where we have to perform the we have to run the program, or we have to write the program. So this is the command window, and where we have to write down the programs, and these are the menus change depending on the tool you are using. And with the help of layout, you can set your screen, change your screen, and here you can write the script. If you are clicking on this icon, you can write your script or program. So further, after writing the program, this is the command window. So use the window to enter variables, function, and mscript files. In this window, we have to use the variables and mscript files as your needs, as your requirement. So further, if we are pressing the up and arrow button in your keyboard to call a statement, your previous typed edit the statement as needed and then press enter to run it. After pressing the enter, it can be run. So there are other tools available to help you remember function and their syntax and to enter a statement correctly. For example, you can see the function, use the function browse to look for function, click the button at the left of the prompt to open the tool. So this is the prompt button, and here you can click the button and you can write the program, the prompt button. Now command history statement, here you can see the command history after setting the window. So in the command history, statements you enter in the command windows are logged in the command history, and from the command history you can view and search for previously run statement. Previously run statement you can search in the command history and execute selected statement. You can also create an M file from selected statement, right? So these are the various functions of the command history, from where you can find the stored data, stored program from the command history. So this is the screen of the command history where you can type your program and you can run. Further, if you are moving workspace browsers, so this is the workspace browsers. This is the command history. This is the workspace browser where you can consist of the set of variables built up during a MATLAB session and stored in memory. The MATLAB workspace consists of the set of variables built up during the MATLAB session and stored in the memory. So it will be stored the memory and data. And further, if you are study or discuss about the current directory, so in the current directory, you can it is a quick way to see the full path to the current directory or change it to a different directory is by using the current directory. That will be filled in the desktop toolbar that is shown in the following illustration. You can use the current directory browser, a desktop tool that provide a convenient way, that will provide you the convenient way to organize and manage your file in MATLAB. You can view, open, and make changes to directory and files. Using the current directory, you can find files and use MATLAB applications features on your files, such as running them or opening them. So with the help of help browser to search for and view documentation and demos for your for all your math work products. The help browser is an HTML viewer integrated into the MATLAB desktop environment. So to open the help browser, click the help button in the desktop toolbar. In the desktop toolbar, you can click on the help button, and from there you can get the help browser. Consists of two panes: the help browser navigator, which you use to find the information, and the display pane where you can view the information. So after finding the help browser, you can get the result of your program. So these are the fundamentals and basics idea about the MATLAB. So in the further lab, we will run some program. We will write some program, and we can run, and we will see how to use the MATLAB. So I hope that you all have understood the content of the today's lab. Further, we will continue with the next experiment. Thank you so much.